Hey beautiful, so I'm back and today we're going to be doing a first impressions on a new foundation, a new liquid lipstick, brushes. First, let's prime our face. I am going to use the Tatcha Pore Perfecting Serum and the Wet n Wild. Now we're going to go in with the Wet n Wild. So I'm really excited to try these new brushes. Like I said in a previous video, they feel really soft. I did wash them. They are very easy to wash. They smell good. But I did wash them before, so make sure everything's clean on the face. So I am going to use the new L'Oreal foundation, the Pro Glow. You guys know I'm obsessed with the Pro Matte. I love it. So this is Pro Glow. A good friend of mine did send me the L'Oreal Pro Glow because I cannot find it anywhere. She was so sweet and she sent it to me. Thank you, Jasmine. So this is shade 208 Sun Beige. It might be a little bit too light for me, but it might not, since I have been using bleaching cream for my manchas and my little like dark spots, and it's kind of brightening my face. So it's okay. Let's go in and use it. Always shake your foundations. Make sure everything's like mixed in there well, all of that. Okay, it sounds pretty liquidy. Okay, it's like really runny too, so be careful. It's very runny. Okay, so this is the big brush. It doesn't have like a name on it or anything, so all the box has is 1 through 10. So I'm gonna use brush number uno. Look how weird that looks. Okay, so we're gonna apply this on our face. Oh, it feels so soft. I didn't think it was gonna feel this good. I really thought it was gonna feel weird, but it feels pretty freaking cool. This feels pretty neat. I'm really excited right now because of how cool it feels. Hey, wait, you're gonna freak up and make, oh. I almost wiped my contact out. Okay, you do have to hold the head because it is like really wobbly. So make sure you hold it pretty firm like this and just rub it in your face. Oh, this is freaking awesome. I like this. Oh, they feel so soft. Looks really nice. And you can like get down your neck really good, so there's like no excuses like why you didn't blend really good. Ooh, that foundation looks amazing. Here, I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Okay, yeah, let's do it like that. Ooh, eyebrows on fleek. Okay, so look how good it blended it in. Like, holy moly, it like looks airbrushed. Like, it looks really good. Okay, so let's do the other side. The coverage does say medium. I'm pretty sure we can build it up. It looks so freaking awesome, you guys. This is like amazing. And it doesn't look like it like goes all the way down. Like, it doesn't look like it seeps all the way down. The foundation just kind of like lays on top. I don't know if it looks like I'm rubbing really hard, but I'm not. It's just like the brushes are so soft, so it just blends in your face like butter. Like, it's really nice. I like it. And this is the Born This Way concealer in the shade medium. Pretty excited to see how well this is gonna blend. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with brush number 4. It feels just as cool. It feels so freaking good. Oh my. Kind of want to like blend under my eyes since I'm always used to like blending, but if you just like go really slow like that, it like blends it. Okay, so now we're gonna contour our face using the Maybelline Master Contour in medium. You guys know I've been loving this one too. We are gonna contour our face. So we're gonna contour the nose, cheeks, And since I did tell you guys that I wanted to use this one to contour, I was zooming you guys in so we can do this together. It's like perfect for contouring. Okay, to set that, I am gonna use the Ben Nye setting powder. I'm gonna go in with brush 1. Pat that. It is a little bit more difficult to put on the powder, I guess because you kind of want to go rough with it, but kind of just pat and just remove slowly. Look at this. I just set where I highlighted just so that it doesn't crease or anything, but overall the foundation just looks like so good, so freaking good. Now for blush, we are going to use number 3 using the NYX the Go-To palette. This one is in the shade Wanderlust. Using the blush right here. I got Belazzo. Okay, and now smile. Man, look at my crusty ass lips. We gotta get hurry and get to the lip part. Okay, so using brush number 5, I am going to do the highlight. We are using this highlight right here. Kind of hard. It's like you don't know how to use it or to apply it. You know, like with brushes we know how to grip them. With these it's like you really don't know how. So since the brushes are really hard to like blend, I am going to use this brush right here by Luxie. This is the small contouring brush, and I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Face. This is Classic Tan, and I'm going to use this shade to chisel out my contour. So now for the eyes, I want to do something dramatic. So let me zoom you guys in and let's beat these eyeballs. Now using the new Sola Look liquid lipstick by Dutch Girl, I will be applying this all over my lips. Let me know what you think down below. I really like the color. Moving on to our hair, I am going to be curling it using a hot glove so that my hands don't get burnt, and using the Hot and Gold. Found this at Ross, I believe, And what I do, I just wrap my hair around the curling rod, wrapping it around, and then it gives me this really beautiful curl. So I'm just going to be repeating this process. Hey beautifuls, it's now the next day. So what I have to say about the products, since I forgot to come back at night and show you guys, the reason why I didn't is because we were out with the family, you know, having dinner and all that. And by the time we got home, I was exhausted. I'm still exhausted. I don't know if you guys can see it on my face. I'm like burnt out. I did want to tell you guys how everything held up and what I thought, my opinions on the products that I did use. So for the L'Oreal, the Pro Glow, this baby right here, the foundation held up very, very well. I thought that I was gonna get a little bit of oiliness, but I didn't. Surprisingly, everything held up very well. It does say it does say in the bag that the wear is up to 24 hours. I don't recommend to wear it for 24 hours because breakouts, we need to let our skin breathe, all that good stuff. When I did get home, I did ask Rudy, like, hey, does it still look good? He said that it looks good, that it looked like skin. It didn't look cakey, it didn't look like any of that. He prefers the Pro Glow over the L'Oreal Pro Matte. He says this one, he does like it. It looks really nice, it looks like skin, but this one tends to give me a little bit of a glow. I do want to do a video comparing one side of the Pro Glow, one side of the Pro Matte. Of course, the matte is going to leave you a finish. This one is more like of a, I don't know, like a glowy. It looks amazing on the skin. It really does. It looks like baby skin. But I do understand where he's coming from. With the L'Oreal Matte, it kind of just gives me like that matte finish, and this one gives me more of like a healthy glow. I do think both of them are amazing. If you're looking for a foundation that has good coverage and gives you like a glow, I would say go with this one. If you're looking for a foundation that you want to really cover and to look matte, go with this one. Overall, I think they're both amazing. I really do. I'm gonna keep both of them. They look amazing. They apply amazingly. I love them. I can't wait to try them with the, well, I can't wait to try this one with the beauty sponge just to see how it holds up and to see if I like that over these brushes. These are the multi-purpose brushes. What I have to say about these brushes, they are amazing. They're super soft. The brushes are very good. They are extremely soft, very gentle on the face. I love them. I definitely will be using these on clients as well. I'm gonna order a set just for clients because these are amazing, and it really is a lot faster than all the bouncing that you do with a beauty sponge. So I definitely see myself using this a lot in the future. Now for the LA Girl Line Matte Eyeliner, this is very amazing. To make the eyeliner really intense and very, very white, do the first coat, let it dry, and then come back to it. Be very patient with it. This works amazing, and it is really bold. I really liked how bold it was. Now for the two lipsticks that I did apply ColourPop. This is Creeper. Very good, really bright, really pretty. Doesn't make the teeth look yellow. And I did use the new Sola Look Dutch Girl liquid lipstick. This is really pretty. The color that she chose, very beautiful. You guys know how I feel about mauves. Amazing, really, really nice. Really, really nice. I did switch up. I did apply this one and then this one and then this one again. I did go out with it, I drank with it. It didn't budge. It was really good. And I like how it didn't make my lips feel like a crusty butthole. It was really nice and smooth. But you guys let me know which one you guys liked with the look, the red or Dutch Girl. Let me know. So I will list everything down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to be part of the fam bam. I love you guys so much.